Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng bagong mid-range phone ng Huawei, the Huawei Nova 7i. Inside the box, we can find SIM ejector pin or panindot, the Huawei warranty card and the manual na hindi naman masyadong binabasa, and free silicone jelly case, 40-watt supercharged adapter, USB Type-C cord, and the earphone. Nova 7i comes in 3 colors: Sakura Pink, Midnight Black, and Crash Green. At the back, this phone makes looks like a glass, but it's actually made of plastic. On the left side, we have the SIM tray. On the right side, we have the volume adjustment, power button, and also the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C port, and earphone jack. Nova 7i has a 16-megapixel front camera, and for the back camera, it has 2-megapixel depth sensor, 2-megapixel macro lens, 48-megapixel main camera, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera lens. For the display, it has a 6.4 inches Full HD plus IPS LCD with 1080 resolution. Maganda din ito pang games kasi parang full screen yung nakikita mo while gaming. For the chipset, this phone has a Kirin 810 with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It also has a 4200 mAh battery. And the Huawei Nova 7i priced at 13,990 pesos.